Hello, good viewers, you are welcome. In today's tutorial today, we are going to be solving for the value of a. So we are given root a to the power of root a minus root 5 to the power of root a equals 39. So now please don't let us guess this solution. We can actually see how we can solve this problem before without guessing or without looking for obvious solution. So now from here, I can write this 8 as 8 to the power of root a over 2. That is, this 8, that is 1 over 2. I change this root to 1 over 2. That's what was giving me this. Then same thing as 5 root a over 2. Right, then equals 39. So now from there, the next thing we are going to do is I want to replace this by, let's say, let root a over 2 be equals b. So now if root a over 2 equals b, so therefore from this equation here, anywhere I see root a over 2, I'll replace by b. So I have a to the power of b minus 5 to the power of b equals 39. So now from here, so the next thing we are going to do, I want us to do another manipulation here. You know that if I should write this as 8 to the power of b, then I put 2 over 2 here, minus 5b 2 over 2 here equals 39. So you know that I can rewrite this equation by bringing this one outside, or this one inside, that is 8 to the power of b over 2, then all to the power of 2, the 2 that is up here, minus 5 to the power of b over 2, then this to the power of 2 equals what? Equals 39. So now we are going to do another thing. So the next thing we are going to do here is that let's now x equals 8 to the power of b over 2 and y be 5 to the power of b over 2. Are you following? So now from there, so the next thing we are going to do is that we are going to replace, we have x to the power of 2, then minus y to the power of 2 equals what? 39. So now let me write it clearly. X squared minus y squared equals 39. So now when you have x squared minus y squared equals 39, so you can see the left answer there is the difference of two squares. So we can write it as x minus y, x plus y, then equals 39. So now we move further. So now from here, so the next thing we're going to do, now let's see how we can factorize this 39. You know 39 can be expressed, we have 39 equals 13 times 3, and we have 39 equals 39 times 1. Right, so according to what we have here, so don't forget that the value of a we must be looking for, must be a that belongs to set of what? Of integers. So now we're going to pick this one, that is 13 multiplied by 32. So if you pick this, we're going to have x minus y, x plus y, then equals 13 multiplied by what? Multiplied by 3. So now from there, so now let's do the comparison. So we know that x minus 1 is smaller, x minus y is less than x plus y, has 3 less than 13. So therefore, by comparison, we can say x minus y equals 3. Let's call this equation star. And x plus y equals 13. And let's call this equation star star. So now we are going to solve this. We are going to solve this. Now solving this now, let's try to add the both sides or the both equation. X plus s, I'm going to be having 2x. Then here they will give me 0. Then 13 plus this, we're going to have what? We're going to have 16. Okay, so now from here you divide both sides by 2. This will cancel this. This implies that x equals 8, right? So now let's keep this because it's part of what we're going to use. So now going further, since x equals 8, we are going to pick any of the solution up here or any of the equation. Let me pick equation star because it is the simpler one. So I'm going to have x minus y equals 3. So now, and x is 8. So I'm going to be having x, which is 8, minus y equals 3. So now from here we have our y to be equals 5. So we have y also to be what? To be 5. So now going further, so since we've gotten x and y, so don't forget that the main variable we are looking for is a, not x and y. So we just use x and y here. Now what we need to do now is that let us recall that from here we've already said the x to be here. We set x to be 8 to the power of b over 2 and y to be 5 to the power of b over 2, right? So let us bring this forward. So bringing this forward, so we're going to have x equals 8b over 2, and also y is equals 5b over 2. So now we're going to have since x equals what? Since x is equal to 8, right? X equals to 8. We're going to have 8 equals 8 to the power of b over 2, and here this is 8 to the power 1 will give us 8. So therefore from here, since the bases are the same, we have b over 2 equals what? Equals 1, which implies that b is equals 2, right? So since b equals 2, so if you do the same thing to the second one, when y is 5 equals 5 to the power b over 2, right? So we can write this, since the two bases are the same, this implies that b over 2 equals 1. So which is what? B equals 2, according to what we have here. Do you understand now? So now we have b to be 2, we have b to be 2 here. Now we are not going to go back again because it is already stated right from the beginning that we should look at this place, we should let root a over 2 be b. So therefore we're going to have what? We're going to have b equals root a over 2. Recall that b equals root a over 2, and we've already gotten our b to be 2. That's going to be 2 equals root a over 2. Then we have what? We have root a equals this times this is going to give us 4. So trying to square the both sides to get rid of the square root, I'm going to have a equals 4 raised to the power 2 is 4 times 4, and we have our a to be 16. So therefore we have a equals 16 to be the solution to the problem. Alright, if you find this class very interesting, kindly like, comment, then subscribe to our YouTube channel if you have not done that before. Don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime we upload a new content. Bye bye.